Legacy systems have supported businesses for decades, but today, they face pressure from two directions. The old problems remain: hard to maintain, vendor lock-in, high cost, mainframe end of service. A new pressure has arrived. The AI era demands faster modernization. New models, new capabilities every quarter. Competitors are moving. Closed systems cannot connect. The gap is widening. The window is shorter.
One system was built to solve both. FPT Flezi EMT, built for the old challenge and the new one.
Many organizations have already tried. Rehost, lift and shift to the cloud. Fast, but nothing changes underneath. The technical debt stays, the risk remains. Replatform, partial infrastructure updates, but the legacy logic is still there. The business problem is not solved. Rewrite, rebuild from scratch. Years of effort, business logic lost in translation. High risk, no guarantee. Rebuilt, new architecture, everything replaced. Maximum cost, longest timeline. Only viable for a fraction of systems. None of these approaches was built for the AI era. None of them turns legacy into an AI-ready, open foundation. That is the gap Flezi EMT was built to close.
What does Flezi EMT actually deliver? Not a single tool, a complete end-to-end modernization ecosystem covering every phase of the legacy transformation lifecycle: discovery, assessment, migration, transformation, testing, deployment, ongoing operation. Every stage connected, every output governed.
Flezi EMT unifies every phase of legacy modernization, from discovery and assessment through reverse engineering to full-scale migration. One unified dashboard, real-time access to project information, asset insights, and modernization analytics, all in one place. Track completed stages, active processes, and migration status. Full lifecycle visibility at a glance. Once X-ray discovery completes, asset classification results are instantly available. COBOL, JCL, and copybook ready for assessment.
And when you look at AI maturity, most modernization solutions today reach level 5 or level 6. Partial automation, human-assisted outputs, limited traceability. Flezi EMT operates at level 7 and level 8. Full AI-driven orchestration, code-intelligent agents that understand the full system, not just individual files. Automated end-to-end with provable quality at every step. This is not one step ahead of the market. It is 2 levels ahead.
EMT Brain. 5 components, 1 system. Brain Synapse understands your entire code base. Brain Synapse KMS, a knowledge management system that connects to a legacy COBOL codebase through a set of MCP tools. Brain Synapse gives enterprises a complete understanding of their legacy systems. It maps the entire codebase, from programs and copybooks to jobs, screens, and business logic. Every dependency, every cross-language relationship, and every critical process becomes fully connected and visible. What once required months of manual analysis can now be inventoried and understood in just weeks. Every dependency, every business rule, millions of lines. Brain Motor automates the work. 86 to 90% automation. Brain Motor is the execution engine of EMT Brain, the hands-on workforce that runs every skill, agent, and workflow your project needs. One command: upgrade the catalog. The result is immediate. 172 skills, 54 agents, 21 workflows, versioned, tracked, and ready to deploy. This is worker mode. The SRS generation workflow launches autonomously. 7 agents, all initialized, each with a defined role and a traceable state. Extract, approve, fragment, assemble, validate. The AI does the volume. Your team controls the outcome. No hallucination, and every output fully traceable. Brain STEM keeps you in control. Your choice of AI model. No vendor lock-in. Brain Cortex plans every task. Brain Memory learns from every project. The system grows smarter each time. This is not a tool, this is a system.
The question is not whether to modernize, it is which path for which system. Flezi EMT applies a 4-path decision framework. Rewrite. Language obsolete, logic still sound. Translate precisely. Rebuild. When architecture itself is the constraint. New foundation, AI accelerated. Replace. When off-the-shelf fits. Fastest path to value. Retain. When the system still runs, but knowledge is at risk. AI docks in weeks. One framework, 4 paths. The right choice, driven by data, not guesswork. 5 dimensions, 5 shifts, all at once. From JBall to pure Java. From closed to open architecture. From vendor lock-in to trusted in-house partnership. From mainframe COE shortage to AI-powered knowledge transfer. From black box testing to white box, AI agents verify every line. Human in the loop, amplified by Flezi EMT. And what powers every path? The winning 3A. Augmented workforce. Your team works alongside AI, not replaced by it. Agentic AI on accelerators. 300+ agents. Automated, traceable, scalable.
AI-enabled adaptation. Every project makes the system smarter. Each migration faster than the last. One methodology, 4 paths, 3 forces driving every one of them. Start with AI-generated classification results, surfaced for human review in the Other category. Select the relevant assets for review, then initiate AI action to execute the file classification agent, allowing the AI to analyze the selected items and generate recommendations under user control. The AI analyzes and generates results with recommendations, confidence scores, and annotations. Review each suggestion, then perform confirm update. This is where human validation takes place. Only after confirmation are changes applied, ensuring correct classification and reducing the Other category. Fully controlled by your team, AI never acts alone. FPT software. 15 years, 100 successful projects, 300 million lines migrated, 8,000+ engineers on demand. COBOL, JCL, RPG, AS400, Delphi, PL1, 40+ tech stacks. The results are consistent. 40 to 50% productivity improvement, up to 45% cost reduction, 40 to 50% faster delivery. Microsoft AI Transformation Frontier Partner. Unified platform, Anthropic and OpenAI integrated. Not just experience, a proven system at enterprise scale.
These are not just numbers, these are real enterprise outcomes. 3 industries, 1 consistent result. Germany, 10 million lines, 80% fewer releases, 50% lower cost. Japan, Fujitsu mainframe to cloud-native Azure, 50% lower integration cost. Asia, 4 million lines, AS400 to Java, 70% lower maintenance, 2 times faster development. Same platform, same approach, same results. Repeatable at enterprise scale.
One question every executive asks, how fast will I see results? With Flezi EMT, faster than you expect. Discovery. We learn your system and plan what to build. Proof of concept. You see it working in weeks. MVP. First real product goes live. Factory. Everything runs at full scale. You do not need years to know this works. Start smart, deliver fast, scale with confidence.